back. So yeah, today I'm going to go over some of the issue that I have, that I run into with some of this old memory card that I have. One of it is the regular Samsung, the trans flash memory card. I use this on my dash cam, or my security cameras, also better camera. I'm not sure if this is a regular card. It cannot handle the extreme heat or what's going on. I guess over here in the Riverside, the heat tends to get hot, and maybe some of the heat that is mess up the memory card. So, and not only this one, I have this SanDisk. This one is the Ultra Plus, 64 gigabyte, and it's also messed up. I was kind of mad and frustrated. This one is coming out from the security camera that's only indoor. So I'm not sure it gets hot during summertime, and it also mess it up. By the way, these are all the genuine memory card, not the fake one. So if you have those issue, you want to go with either the Extreme Plus or the Extreme Pro. So I bought the Extreme Plus. Let me show you guys. So this one is just a adapter for the SD. This is made in China, 2025, February 21st. Micro SD, SDHC, SDXC. There's a lock button here. So yeah, when you try to handle this memory card, make sure you don't have the static electricity, or it's gonna zap it. So it says 3, so I believe this one is the class 3. And this one is made in Malaysia. Gonna compare to this side by side. And both of them are original. The one on the right side is class 10. and both of them are made in Malaysia. So if this thing get messed up, I would probably need to go with the Extreme Pro. This one is the Extreme Plus, which is one higher than this Ultra Plus. So yeah, with my security camera, it did not detect. It says no SD card. And I came in and formatted. So every time we put a new memory card to your device, then you need to insert it and then reformat it, okay? Anyway, hopefully this will resolve your issue if you have a memory card has been failed or due to the extreme hot weather. You might want to try the Extreme Plus or Extreme Pro. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the videos. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video like always. Peace.